Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can have a sandstorm in your GTA San Andreas game. So to have a sandstorm in your GTA San Andreas game, all you have to do is simply activate a cheat code. So the cheat code will now be displayed on your screen and you just need to type it with me. So in your keyboard you need to type this. So you need to type CWJXUOC. So as you guys can see, the weather has turned really gloomy and there is so much air and wind is blowing, and as you guys can see in the far away distance there is sandstorm. So that's how you guys can have a sandstorm kind of weather in your GTA San Andreas game. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to cover, please comment it down below and we will do so for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.